What is up, guys? Check it out back there. You can see the Trap Star. We're sitting on the tailgate. Man, there's my coffee. I should have grabbed that. But we're sitting on the tailgate of the mini truck. We're having some tacos from the vendors here. Check them out. They're back there. Guys, I had 6 of them here, and they are delicious, but I couldn't resist. Like, I sat down. I was going to shoot the video, but I was like, man, I got to try them. They smell really good. They taste really good. Let's check this out. I'll flip it around so you guys can see it. I got steak, cilantro, and onion on corn tortilla, and they got the lime. Plenty of napkins, guys. It's delicious. $3 a taco. I'm telling you, it is really, really good. I'm like, I had to eat one as soon as I was here. I'm gonna eat one now. I love it, guys. It's very authentic. Everything is fresh. And the cilantro just pops. The onions, they're not overbearingly strong onions. They're mild, and they're really right. That's very, very good tacos. So guys, I'm gonna get off here. I want to eat some more of these tacos. Man, you see the Trap Blazer back there. But guys, shout out to Greg putting this on. Everybody who came out, hella good time. Johnny, he's about to be on his way back. I think maybe Melvin is stopping by, so maybe if Melvin stops by, we'll do another live or something. But that's what it is, guys. I'm eating, I'm getting my grub on. If you guys are out here in this local, make sure you come out and visit us. Guys, you can't beat it. Come join us. That's what it is. That's what we're doing. We'll see you all in the next one. Keep on trapping.